A good speech is like a woman's skirt, long enough to cover the topic and short enough to create an interest. So, if you want to be a motivational or a storyteller or a public speaker, all you want to know something about this book. Why I have selected this book as one of the best book as public speaking. And the book name is Who Will Cry When You Die. This book is written by Robin Sharma. I have recently read this book during this session only. 3 months of session I have read, but it is one of the best book I have definitely recommend. Because if I will tell you going forward what are the 5 similarities why this book is similar to public speaking. But you have to stay connected. So if I talk about this author, here he has discussed about 101 life experience that he has gone through. He has shared all the things which he in a story format. And public speaking is all about storytelling. No one is interested to listen your speech or your lecture. Everyone is interested to know about your life experience. We never know who we are inspiring. In the first chapter, even the author has shared, like the topic was discover your calling. It means two quotation I like in this chapter. First one is when you were born, you were crying, but the world was rejoicing. Live your life in such a way that when you die, you rejoice and the world cry. Public speaking is similar to that only. You have to create a world. You don't need to find a world. You have to create a world that you can inspire, that you can motivate people, you can change their world. And when you leave this world, when you leave this planet, people will remember you and you will be happy. So discover your calling. It means we all have a special talent. All we need that to get engaged with that worthy pursuit. And author has also mentioned, moreover, you have to focus on a particular skill in which you are good at. Even I feel he is right. See, any book cannot be declared as a self-help until there is no motivational quote. In this book, author Robin Sharma has not only talked about his quotation, he has also taken examples of few legendary. He has said, be the change you want to see in this world. And a public speaker is the speaker who changed the world of the audience, who changed the world of the people around him. And I would say, second quotation, I would say, without a rich heart, wealthy is an early waker. That is also one of the good line I like about this book. And one of the most important famous line has said, nothing is useless as doing efficiently, then it should not be done at all. So public speaking, you should speak up. If you're not speaking, if you're not sharing your thoughts, you're not sharing your emotions, then it is useless. People will not understand you. So I would say this book is really a very short book. It just consists of 101 chapters with 225 pages, and you can see it is really a very small, pretty book. And I would definitely recommend it. Now comes the point, what is the 5 similarity that I find in this book and this public speaking? The first point is it is anti-boring. And a public speaking, it should be anti-boring. It should always captive people interest. Second, I would say it is every chapter is worth reading. Similarly, public speaking. Every speech should be worth listening. Your content should be good enough. Your body language should good body enough, language should be good enough that it should catch the interest of the audience. And third, it is truly inspiring. Every chapter is truly inspiring. It is a real lifetime experience. And public speaking, until you are not inspiring, you are not a good speaker. And you are inspiring by your life experience. That is all about this book. And if I talk about fourth point, that is the most important. It is a very simple English language. There is no complexity in this book. Similarly, public speaking, I feel it should be very simple language that younger people can understand, even and older people understand. It should not be tough enough that no one can understand. Only you are speaking. So it should be simple, short, descriptive. And the last one is I really give a 5 star. I would really recommend this book because one line I like about this book, it has mentioned, if your life is worth thinking about it, it is worth writing about. Similarly, public speaking, if you have a lot of experience, I would say you should share it. You should speak up. This is all my point of view. That's what I want to tell. A good speech is like a woman's skirt, long enough to cover the topic and short enough to create an interest. So please go through this book and share your review. I would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching. Signing out, Ruchi.